morning, dear student. Previous classes we have discussed about the Euclid division lemma as well as algorithm. And using this algorithm, how can we solve the HCF? And dear children, today we are going to start the next problem. The problem number 2. Problem number 2, question is given, so that any positive odd integer is of the form of 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5, where q is some integers. Let us start the problem. We know the Euclid division lemma A equal to bq plus r, where a and b both are positive integers and also satisfying the q and r, and where 0 less than equal to r less than b. That is the Euclid division lemma. In the previous classes we have discussed very much. Now today children, using this lemma, we can solve easily this problem. Let A be any positive odd integer and b equal to 6. So, by Euclid division lemma, A equal to B equal to, directly we can write here, A equal to 6q plus r, where 0 less than equal to r less than 6. This is the condition, where 0 less than equal to r less than 6. So here the values between the 0 and 6 and also including 0, the 0 and less than 6, what are the values will be there? The 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 you can put here. A equal to 6, then 6q plus 0 equal to 6q. That was number 1. A equal to, again A equal to 6q plus 1. A equal to 6q plus 2. Number 2. A equal to 6q plus 3. A equal to 6q plus 4. Number 3. A equal to 6q plus 5. Why I put the numbers here 1, 2, 3? Because these are the numbers we found the even numbers. we found a even number. So 1, 2 and 3. So 1, 2, 3. These are the even numbers. And except these, what are the numbers are found? 6 cube plus 1, 6 cube plus 3 and 6 cube plus 5. Where use some integer. Then these numbers use what? Here 1, 2 and 3 are even numbers. And not satisfying. As A equal to positive odd number. So 6 cube plus 1, 6 cube plus 3 or 6 cube plus 5 are positive or integer. So any positive or integer or integers is in the form of, what are the things remaining? 6 cube plus 1, 6 cube plus 3 and 6 cube plus 5. So any positive odd integer is in the form of 6 cube plus 1, 6 cube plus 3 and 6 cube plus 5. In this way we can prove. The children, once again I am going to discuss the whole problems. How can we solve this problem? Let A be any positive odd integer and B equal to 6 is given. B equal to 6 is given. We know that A equal to BQ plus R, where 0 less than R less than equal to R less than B. There is the condition of equal-distribution lemma. Now, in this particular case, what we have observed? We observed that A equal to CQ plus R, 6Q plus R. Then the condition will be what? 0 less than R less than 6. You understood? Less than equal to R less than 6 means what? What are the numbers we can put here? We can put 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, up to 5. Less than 6 means up to 5 you can put here. Then A equal to 6Q plus 0, A equal to 6Q. And A equal to 6Q plus 1, A equal to 6Q plus 2. Putting the values of R directly. Then we are observing that 6Q plus 2 and 6Q plus 4, these three are the even integers. Then we mark these three as 1, 2, 3. And here these 1, 2, 3 are even numbers or even integers. So remaining these are not satisfying as A positive, A equal to given positive odd number or positive odd integer. It is given positive odd integer. Then positive odd integer, you say positive odd integer. A is given positive odd integer. So these are the numbers you can exclude among the numbers out of these numbers. Then remaining numbers are any positive odd integers. What? Any positive integer is in the form of remaining what? 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 and 6q plus 5. These are the three numbers. This is the forms of odd positive integers. Okay? Good. Okay, you understood? Children? Now, again we are going to solve the question number 4. Use Euclid division lemma to show that the square of any positive integer is either of the form 3m or 3m plus 1 for some integers m. These are the question. This is the question. Use Euclid division lemma to show that the square of any positive integers, square of any positive integer is either of the form of this 3m or 3m plus 1, and given that for some integer m. Let us start question number 4. You write as same as previous. Let A is any positive integer and b equal to 3. So by Euclid division lemma, A equal to square of any positive integer is either of the form of this. A equal to 3q plus r, where 0 less than r less than 3. And what are the numbers between that? Then we can put can put 0, 1 and also 2. So A equal to 3 q plus 0. Therefore A equal to 3q. Number 1. A equal to 3q plus 1. A equal to 3q plus 2. Now question said squaring in both sides. Question said the square of any positive integer, is either of the form of 3m or 3m plus 1 for some integer m. M is some integer. Then you understood? We can grab it. Then from 1 A equal to 3Q, squaring both sides, A square equal to 3Q square. Okay, or A square equal to 9Q square. A square equal to 9Q square. Then you can write here A square equal to 3 into 3Q square, where 3Q square is M. M is some integers. This is given for some integer n. Then 3Q square, you can put m in place of 3Q square. You can write m, where m equal to 3Q square. So some integer. Again from 2 we have A square equal to 3Q plus 1 whole square, squaring both sides directly, or A square equal to 3Q into 3Q plus 1 square, using A plus whole square, equal to 9Q square 6Q plus 1. Now let us take common what? We can take common 3 here out of this. 3, then 3Q square, 3Q common, here you take common 3, then 3Q square plus 2Q plus 1. Equal to 3m plus 1, where m equal to 3Q square plus 2Q, some integer. Again from 3 we have A square equal to 3Q plus 2 square, or A square equal to 3Q square 2 into 3Q into 2 plus 2 square. Okay, equal to 9Q square plus 12Q plus 4. 9q square plus 12q. You can write 3 plus 1. Then we take common. Again, what? 3. Then 3q square plus 4q plus 1 plus 1. This is the n. Where m equal to 3q plus 4q plus 1. There is some positive integers. 3q square plus 4q plus 1. So we can say the question is that what? Question is that the 3m or 3m plus 1, the square of any positive integers. So any positive square of any positive integer is either of the form this. So we can write, student, square of any positive integer, hence square of any positive integers is either of the form 3m or 3m plus 1. Form 3m or 3m plus 1. And understood, student? Again, you think about the state. What you have done is, let us take a is any positive integer and b equal to what? B equal to 3 here. Then a equal to 3q plus r. And r is what? R is either 0, 1 or 2. These three things are integers can be put here. Then a square first of all q plus 0 equal to 3q plus 0 equal to 3q, and squaring, then you can get a square equal to 9q square, and you multiply 3 into 3q square, then 3q square will be what? Is positive some integers. This given. Positive some integers is given, and secondly 3q plus what? 3q plus 1, then you will get 3m plus 1. Also again you squaring 3q plus 2, then here you can get this relation, a square equal to 9q square plus 12q plus 4. Then 4 you can break down 3 plus 1, because here we can take common 3. Then 3 you take common, and uncommon is what? 3q square plus 4q plus 1, and plus 1 is also given here. Then this is the m, 3q square plus 4q plus 1, this is the m, some positive integer. Then 3m plus 1 we got. Then we can say square of any positive integers either in the form of what? 3m or 3m plus 1. Okay? Thank you. Bye. Remaining two problems will do, and share using division lemma to show that cube of any positive integers is of the forms of this. It is like that. This given the square, and you do the in cube, and you apply the cube formula. And these two problems will do, and later on I will show you again next videos. Okay.